here's our traditional tequila shots. We are packed in the car and ready to go to Florida, headed to MSC Seashore. Can't wait to get on the cruise, and we will see you soon. We have officially gotten to Florida. We're going to be with Lori and William from Journey with the Gingers, and we're excited.
Yep.
So,
come with us. You can't go on a cruise unless you stop at Buc-ee's. It's a must. Thank you.
Everything looks good.
Thank you.
it's cruise day, people.
Cruise day!
Woo! And we have already dropped off our luggage, and we were one of the first people in line, probably second or third, something like that, in line. We're waiting at the parking gate, waiting for them to open it in so we can go park the car.
Well, this is new. This is the first time for us. When you pull in at the Terminal 10 for MSC, this is the MSC Seashore, what they do now is either 11 o'clock, they'll open up to let us in, or when they announce that the ship is fully empty, then they'll open the gates right here, which is not gates, it's just cones holding us in here. But there's a lot of folks in line to go park. So that is something new that they're doing here in Port Canaveral.
Probably to help with traffic flow.
We already dropped our stuff off.
We did talk to the gentleman that's holding up the line and telling us we have to wait. We did tell him to go tell everybody to get the heck off the ship. It was our turn.
You didn't say it that nice.
I wasn't as nice as that, but you know what I'm saying.
All right.
Bye.
Lori, William, what's today?
It's cruise day!
Aha!
Walking down the gateway, ready to jump on that ship. It's that time. Here we go, Kurt.
Another birthday cruise. Yeah. happy birthday. Thank you. Hello. Look who you're with. I wasn't. All right. So I got me some fries. I got 2 pizzas right here. I got a juicy weenie, or maybe a dry weenie. I got a cheeseburger here. We got some meat and cheeses. And right here's a cookie.
I can't figure it. I knew
Long Island. Long Island.
So we made it on the ship. What do you do when you get on the ship? You have a drink, right? Well, here's our traditional tequila shots.
Mine's just
shots.
water, Mom.
That's a lot.
All right.
That's a toast to Rosalind and Raymond. We always do that every trip. Thanks to them. Yeah. Ready?
Yes. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Ooh, that comes back. I don't know what kind of
Listening to a little music right before we go try the Ocean Cay grill. Can't wait to try. It's going to be seafood tonight. Got a bunch of specialty restaurants planned. See you soon.
But Olivia, she said she told her room steward or her butler, yeah, her butler. She said.
So this right here is a mimosa blossom that Marcia got, and I had some Crown Royal and cranberry juice. They didn't have the peach schnapps to make it a royal flush. Got your little grinder there for pepper. What do you got there, William?
That is a Bloody Mary.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So I ordered as an appetizer little neck clams, and that's what it came looking like.
Preparing the pasta because he just now just few days he start to be in charge for. Oh, good. He just come. He's still learn.
He did.
You don't have to record the
Look at that cheesecake. Look at William. William's gone. Tiramisu.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.